And now it's time for me to do it.
They don't even see you yet, Jamal. Okay, now it's time.
Alright, kids, don't try this at home.
Here he goes. Oh my God. He's gone. I'm going to get in the shade so you can see it more. There he is. He's going down the road. He's gone. Woohoo! Look at this guy. He's doing a good job. You alright? You getting up the hill? He's going up the hill, guys. You got it? They're coming back! Look out! The motorcycles are coming! They're coming! They're riding their motorcycles, dirt bikes, and four wheels, I guess. Jeremiah's still to the side. This is so silly. Okay, yeah. Yeah, but they're going to come back down in a few minutes. He just, as you can see, standing right there to the trees. Good job. They're going to come back down in a few minutes. Okay. Yeah. He's coming down. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at this guy. He's doing great. Woohoo! Good job. Oh, here he is. Mr. Jeremiah Allen. He survived the dirt bike and the four-wheeler. And that is the end of our...
No!
What do you want to do?
Come here, people. Here's the camera.
What do you want to do? Because the camera is... that's all we can do for right now. But they can look at you like this. You can talk.
Okay, that's the end of our video. I mean, we're going to do one more thank you thing. We're going to do one more bike ride again.
Well, might as well just leave it on the same one then.
Don't try this at home or anywhere. Just don't try this. And not even at a bike trail. Not even in the country that if they have a bike trail or anywhere. So,
he has a BMX bike, see? He's trying to get up. Oh, he's in the water.
What water?
There's deep water and it's mud back there.
Deep water?
In mud.
There's no deep water in here.
Yeah, mud and whatever else.
Okay, let's go.
Here's this guy. Other guys are going to the other guy's house. But we're just going to do one time, then I got to go in the car. It's chilly out here.
Nope, we're not going in the car.
I'm going in the car. You're not. You can do it. 2, 1. Let's go. Good job. Woo-wee! Oh, yeah. He has to walk it up the hill, I guess. I don't know. The hill sometimes can be a bummer. I mean, you know. Where are you going? Come back now? You hear something? Do you hear something? Do you hear something? Are they coming back? Oh, there's somebody else's yard. Unless they're going through the woods. What are you doing?
Okay.
Somebody's coming back. I can hear them.
Yo, they're coming back.
Oh, there they are. It's okay. Go ahead. Here they come. Going to the trail. They're gone. Okay, guy. It's all on you. All right. This guy. He's walking up the hill. My hands are freezing. Not really freezing, but it's just kind of chilly out here today. He's going all the way somewhere, I guess. Let's see. He's going all the way up the hill, I think. Kind of. See him? Like a little dot. Okay. Because the land is so long, so it's like the road is way up there or something. But he's trying to come back down to show you guys the real deal. He's coming. The other guys went to the trail, so. Okay. This guy. He's screaming all the way down. Look at this guy. Good job. Good job. And that's the end of your 8-minute video. Because my hands are frozen now and I had to close the car door. So what do you want to say?
Okay, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, comment down below. What's your favorite bike? Bye. Peace.
They can't see you, Jeremiah.
Peace.